All right, one of our next projects will be called links, and in order to learn a couple skills that you're going to need to know how to do in links, we're going to do this little project that is called Links Preview. So I've opened up PowerPoint, and I'm going to go to New Slide, and I'm going to insert 2 more blank slides. So I have a total of 3 slides. Go back up here to Slide 1. And I'm going to actually get rid of these kind of title boxes here. Then insert a text box, and I'm going to simply type link to web page. All right. I'm going to go ahead and go to the second slide while I have this open here. And on the second slide, I'm going to insert a text box, and that's going to say link to other slide. And my third one, I'm going to insert a text box, and I'm going to put link to email. Alright, so I've got something written on all 3 slides. That just will make it a little bit easier for you to tell which slide you're on. Alright, so back to the first slide, link to web page. Alright, I'm going to open Internet Explorer and go to Google. And in my Google search box, I'm going to type Indy 500 and then hit enter. And the very first one that comes up is IndianapolisMotorspeedway.com. This is the one we want. So I'm going to click on that, wait for that to come up. And here is the Indianapolis Motor Speedway webpage. Now we want to get the web address. And the very, very easy way to do that is to go up here to the address box and click at the end of it until everything there is in blue. Then on your keyboard, hold down CTRL, which is control, hold that down, and also hit C, the letter C for copy. Alright, I've done that, so now I've copied this address, so I don't have to try to type all that by hand. Alright, now we're going to go back to our PowerPoint, and we're going to select the words link to web page, and this is how we make this into a link. We're going to go up to insert hyperlink, and in the hyperlink dialog box, this is the important part right here. You have 4 places you can send this link. You can send it to an existing file or web page, a place in this document, you can create a new document, or an email address. We want that link to go to a web page. So we're going to click I want to go to a web page, and then down here where it says address is where you would type the address. Luckily for us, we just copied that address. So to paste it, we're going to go CTRL, which is control, and then the key that's right next to the C, which was for copy. We're going to go control V for paste, and there you go. It pasted it in there, and we'll do OK. Now you'll notice that it's got that line, the underline, and it's blue. That means it's an active link, and we know that that's going to take you to the Indy 500 webpage. Okay, let's make sure. Slideshow, view show. When I click on it, there we go. All right, so I'll go ahead and close that. And then we go back to our web page after we've checked that link, and we're going to go on to our second slide. Our second slide is a link. We want to make this a link to different slides in our presentation. So we will select link to other slide and go up to insert a hyperlink. Now over here in this group of 4, we're going to go to a place in this document, and we could click on slide 1, slide 2, or slide 3. We're on slide 2, so that would be kind of ridiculous. So we're going to link this to slide 3. And we're going to go OK. Now we know that slide 3 says link to email. Okay? So let's go ahead and check it. Let's go slideshow. We've already been there. So if I click on this, it should take us to slide 3. Yep, it sure did. All right, and then our last one is we're going to link this to an email. So we're going to select it, go to insert a hyperlink, and over here you're simply going to go email. And here's where you'll type your email address. My email address at school is Fletcher at gcsc.k12.in.us, and you would click OK. Now, I'm doing this at home, and my email here isn't set up to actually work, but that it would work if it was enabled to work. Okay, so the whole thing here is you can make words or graphics into links and tell that link, assign a place for that link to go. You go insert, you select what you want, insert hyperlink, and then tell it where it wants to go. Save this as last name links preview and turn it in.